I'm cutting out all the bullshit and giving you this in-depth tutorial on how you can start setting up your Facebook ads campaign with no experience. If you've ever tried setting up Facebook ads and felt completely overwhelmed, I get it, I've been there. But after running profitable campaigns, testing what works, and even getting access to private mastermind groups with some of the top affiliate marketers in the game, I've got enough experience behind me to start giving people the information on how to get started correctly. So in this video, I'm gonna run you through the exact process that myself, as well as some of the top affiliate marketers are using to run Facebook ads profitably without complicating anything. Whether you're promoting affiliate products, running a drop shipping store, building your personal brand, or launching a service-based business, this strategy works across the board. And if you're someone who's still wondering whether it's worth it to advertise on Facebook, here's the thing. Facebook has over 2.9 billion monthly active users, and Instagram, which is owned by Facebook, has over 2 billion. The ad reach is insane. There's never been a better time to put your product or even someone else's product in front of the perfect audience. One thing that I see keeps holding people back when initially running Facebook ads is getting caught up in all the fine details about where to send the ads to, what different settings to apply, and all that different crap, when in reality, the simpler is the better when starting out. Your Facebook ads account is brand new, and it needs to accumulate data and ad spend while Facebook goes through a learning process to understand the products that you're promoting and the target audience that you're trying to reach. The more that you mess around with it in the beginning, it just makes the process a lot more complicated. So I'm gonna run you through exactly how to set up a profitable Facebook campaign without spending money where you shouldn't have to. So let's get into it. Now, before you actually get started setting up and running ads, it's crucial to warm up your Facebook ad account, especially if it's a brand new one. So this is one of the biggest reasons why beginners get banned right out of the gate. Warming up your ad account is just about building that trust with Facebook's algorithm. So you're basically just showing that you're a real person or a legit business, not a spammy account that's just trying to push low quality ads and violate policies. Now, I've taken all the advice from my private mastermind groups on how to actually set up Facebook ad accounts to make sure that they don't get banned, and I've actually created a document that you can access for free down below that you should start using before you start running ads. And if you think it's something that you should skip, I promise you it's so much more worth it to warm up your ad accounts rather than getting accounts banned and you can't even run ads in general. So don't forget to go and check that document out. I'll leave the link down in the description. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is head over to this page that's on the screen and click create an account. Now, to actually do this, you need to make sure you're logged in with your personal account so that Meta knows that it's a real person running ads. So you click create a new account, and then you just enter your business name, your email, and then click submit. Now you're gonna get a verification email, obviously just to make sure it's correct. You know the go, head over to your inbox and get that verification done. Then that's gonna bring you to the Meta Business Manager that you can now see on the screen. What you're gonna do now is set up your business Facebook page. So if you come over to the left here, you click accounts, and then you click pages, and then create ad, and create a new Facebook page. You can easily set one up for your new business. Just simply fill in the information and you're good to go. Now with the Facebook page set up, it's time to set up the ad account within the Business Manager. All you need to do is head back to the settings and click on add account, then click on add and create new ad account. Your ad account name can be anything. Let's say, for example, health, wellness, whatever. Your time zone, you want to keep the time zone that you're at. So for me, I'm at Sydney. And then your currency, you want to keep your own. So I'm in Australia, so Aussie dollar. Next, my business, I agree, and create the new ad account. Now that you've got your business manager and all your settings set up, it's time to set up your first campaign. All you need to do is head over to the left here and click on Ads Manager, and that's going to load up your dashboard for all your campaigns. Now, once you arrived here, you want to look for the big green button that says create. Click create, and now you're going to have a list of all the different campaign objectives. Now, for this example, we're going to assume that we're selling a physical product, so you want to select sales because we want to optimize our campaign for conversions. Then click continue, and it's going to give you two options for your campaign setup: Advantage Plus shopping campaign or manual sales campaign. I'm going to show you how to set this up on your own with the mail sales campaign. So click that, then click continue, and it's going to bring you to the first page of the setup. Now, there's a ton of people out there that have all these different ways of setting up campaigns, all their different settings, all their different targeting structures. But like I said earlier, the best thing for starting out Facebook with your first campaigns is to keep things as simple as possible. Like I said, Facebook are learning. They want to learn a bit more about your product, about who you're trying to target, and it's eventually going to be better for you in the long run. The truth is, it's not all about the fancy settings and structure. There's only three things that really matter: picking the right product, knowing how to market the product, and creating ads and continuously improving them. So when you start off with this page, you just want to put in your campaign campaign name. So just put in something basic like campaign 1. It just needs to be something easy for you to track. So the more campaigns you make, you're gonna have different names. Starting off with campaign 1's perfectly fine. Now, obviously for the campaign objective, we did choose sales to begin with. Like I said, we wanna keep most of these off. Advantage campaign budget. This sort of just gives Facebook more control about what to do with your budget, but we like to keep that off to start with. So for this first page, that's just about it. Now we wanna move on to the ad set. So that's just on the left here, new sales ad set, and you can just call this ad set 1. Now with this, because we're optimizing for conversions, we're generally gonna be sending people through a website. For your conversion location, you wanna be selecting website. So when I've set up campaigns in the past, I usually send people to a landing page, which then has a link that they can click through and buy a product. So this is how I would always set it up, starting off with website. Then you wanna scroll down here, and we want to leave all these other settings. So obviously our performance goal is to maximize number of conversions. We want to be getting as many sales as we can, but we don't want to touch any of the rest of this stuff. So cost per result goal, none of that yet. We don't want dynamic creative, leave that off. Now we want to come down to the budget and schedule here. Now for the daily budget, $20 is perfect to start off for the ad set. Now with the start date and the time, we want to start it at 12 a.m. for the next day. So that gives us a full day to actually run the ads, but make sure that you start it from the next day. Otherwise it just won't work. So you get that full data from starting from 12 o'clock on the next day till 12 o'clock on the day after that. So you get that full 24 hours. Then we want to scroll down here for the locations. Personally for me, I like to run 2 different types of campaigns for locations. The first one is just to the United States. They're one of the biggest markets for consumers. There's always a lot of people buying products, which is why there's a lot of people obviously trying to sell to them as well. But I also choose the big 6. So we call them the big 6 as in the big 6 countries, but there's the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Ireland, and New Zealand. So they're the big 6 for English speaking countries. Now you can choose either one of those. Starting off, we're just gonna keep it very simple and stay with the United States. We'll scroll down here, leave all this off. And now we're gonna go over to the actual ad. Click over on new sales ad here. We're gonna call this one ad 1. Now if we scroll down here, we see it's selected to our Facebook page, Healthy Tech. You wanna make sure that's selected to the right page. If you have multiple pages, that might not be set to that. So just double check with that. You can also select your Instagram account, which one you wanna use if you have that set up. Now when we come down here for the actual ad setup, we have a few different options. So we can do our single image, we can do our video ad, our carousels, all that sort of stuff. We're just gonna click on single image or video and keep scrolling down here. We're gonna go to our destination. So this is where we're gonna be sending people from our ads. So to our landing page or to our website. So our website's danandnath.com. And you can scroll down here. You don't wanna add a browser on button, leave that. And this is where you set up your creative. So I'm not gonna go into all of that, but once you've made your creative and you've downloaded it to your files or whatever, you can just click here. So image ad, and then you'll have all the options for you to set up. So if you click media here, this is where you can upload all your stuff. So if you click upload on the right here, all your downloads will come up. You can go and select it, input that. And then when you come down to text here, you'll have a bit about, obviously your primary text, your headline, your description. We'll make another video on how to sort of optimize your campaigns with that sort of stuff, add creatives and a bit more into that sort of stuff. But for now, we'll leave that. So if you go back out of here, that's just about everything you're gonna need to set up that first campaign, guys. Now, when it comes to testing, I like to duplicate the ad set 3 times. So if you click on the ad set here, you click duplicate, number of copies, duplicate. So you get 3 different ad sets. Now, the way that I've run campaigns in the past is exactly like this. I do 1 campaign, 3 ad sets and 1 ad for each ad set. And then I just run that broad. So I let Facebook's algorithm do all the learning and find the buyers that it needs for me. And that's all you really need to know when you're starting out. So if you're keeping it more simple, you're not going into all the technical stuff, it's just gonna give Facebook the breathing space to go and do the work for you instead of just suffocating it and making it more difficult to find the right people for you. Now, just to add, when I do the 3 ads, 1 in each different ad set, I usually do very different types of ads. That way I can get a good idea of what's gonna be working the best when I start to optimize the campaigns better. Obviously, that's a bit more technical. When I get into future videos on the creative side, I'll get more into that. But if everything's set up, guys, the way I showed you, the campaign's set up exactly like I ran through, all you need to do is hit publish, you're ready to go, and that's it. And that's it, guys. That's just about everything you need to know to set up your Facebook ads account as a beginner. Just remember, when starting out, Facebook is going through a learning process. So don't overcomplicate things and get too technical. Just stick to the basics that I've shown you in this video that even the top marketers are doing themselves when first setting up their Facebook ads campaigns. If you enjoyed the content and found that easier to process, let me know down in the comments what ads tutorial you want to see next. But don't forget to subscribe, guys, like, and we'll see you in the next video.